Hey guys, I'm Avail back again with another video on this Moto G31. In this video, let's check on the Moto quick gestures that you can use on Moto G31 or any other Moto devices. Okay, so first of all, let me show you this, where you can find these. Simply tap here, the Moto app, and then scroll down, and then we have this option, gestures. Click there. So these are the gestures that we get here. Okay, first one is quick capture. Simply turn this on. Now what is it actually? You just can simply open the app quickly using this gesture. Let me show you this, like this. Yeah, so you just do this and you can turn on the camera, or you can switch the camera as well, selfie or the main camera. So that's very simple, isn't it? Next one is the chopping gesture, using which you can access the flashlight, which is called fast flashlight. What you have to do, simply do this, use this chopping gesture, so you can see that the flashlight is on. Again, now it is off. The next gesture is 3-finger screenshot, and this one is really useful if you want to take screenshots. Now what you have to do, simply place your 3 fingers like this and wait for 1 or 2 seconds. You can see this, the screenshot has been saved. You can do it on any other screen as well. Let me show you this here as well. Yeah, you can see this. So this is really useful. What do you say? The next 3 gestures are very common because you can find these on any other devices, like lift to unlock the device. For this you have to set the face unlock, and if you have kept the device like this, and if you just have to unlock it, you just have to look at the screen, the camera, front camera, and this will be unlocked. Okay, next one is also common, flip to activate DND. Simply keep your phone like this and the DND will be activated. Okay, so that is also common. So here you can see that it vibrates. Okay, when you flip the phone like this, and then after that, if you pick it up like this, it vibrates to show that whether the DND has been turned on or turned off. Next one is also common, pick up to silence. Suppose you have kept your device like this, and if someone rings, if you pick up the phone like this, the phone will be turned to silent mode. Okay, so finally let's talk about the last gesture, which is swipe to split. This gesture will help you to enable split screen. Let me show you this. Suppose this screen is open. Okay, what you have to do, simply use this gesture like this, and the split screen will be activated. Now you can use other screen here as well. So what do you think? Let me know about this. So guys, these are the gestures, or we can say quick actions, that you can use on Moto devices. So what do you think about it? Let me know in the comments. And do you really use them? Let me know in the comments. So guys, if you end up liking my videos, do hit the subscribe button and like button, and share your thoughts in the comments. So till the next video guys, cheers.